Take your first steps with TroLase. Our starter kit is ideal for CO2 lasers, with plenty of great options that work on diodes too. TroLase is ideal for interior and exterior use, offering a minimum of 3 years UV stability without significant colour change. Download files and guidance settings from the flyer in your starter kit. Begin by loading your material and focusing the laser. Always remove the top protective coating when engraving. Always focus your laser before processing for accurate results. TroLase materials are optimized for laser processing. For standout results, no additional steps are required. TroLase Textures are designed for industrial or hard wearing products. A second pass can help to remove any colour bleed. A wide nose cone provides greater airflow to a wider sheet area, reducing risk of flaming. TroLase Thins are a highly flexible material. The material in your starter kit comes with adhesive backing for easy adhesion to many surfaces. TroLase foil sheets feature adhesive as standard. To prevent the material warping, masking tape can be used to adhere the material to the working bed. Trotec's TroMask is ideal for this. To create sticker sheets, kiss cutting should be used. This can be achieved with a low power, high speed cut. Make sure to change the cut color and assign to cut speed. This is software dependent. Using the same powered cut for all elements results in cutting through the adhesive layer. Due to how fine foils are, low processing power should be used to avoid warping the material. A successful kiss cut allows the stickers to be effortlessly removed from the sheet, while the right settings prevent burn marks on the reverse side of the sheet. For perfect adhesion to woods, metals and many more materials. TroLase ADA is a single ply material designed for model making and tactile signage. Generally, a wet cloth is sufficient to clean TroLase, however, non-abrasive foam cleaners can also be used. Discover a range of additional resources to assist you. Subscribe to our dedicated materials YouTube playlist for more useful videos. Visit shop.troteclaser.com to discover more great materials.